Here we're going to go over how to add a sub-headline into your funnel page. To begin, we're going to click on Add Element, and then we're going to go under Text and click on Sub-Headline. Here you can type in the sub-headline that you would like to have. So I'm going to do Welcome to our page. On the left-hand side, you can change the element name and title. So this is the sub-headline. I'm just going to keep it the same for now, but you can customize that how you would like. You can change the background color of this sub-headline box by clicking on this and then choosing a color. You can also add a custom color here by typing in the code. When you scroll down, you can change the opacity of the headline box by picking one of these. You can also add a shadow to the text as well. Here you can change the letter spacing to have the letters spaced out or more squished together. And then you can change the alignment of your text to be left, right, or middle. You can add a shadow to your box, either a drop shadow or an inner shadow by clicking this. You can change the mobile font size and desktop font size by either toggling this up and down or typing in a number here. For the mobile font size, go into your mobile view and then you can adjust this how you would like. For the typography type, you can have this be the headline font that you have saved in your funnel, the content font that you have saved in your funnel, or you can click on custom font and then choose this button, and then you can choose from this list of fonts. You can also add an icon to show in front of your headline here. So if you click on this, you can choose an icon. So let's go ahead and put in a little icon here. Here you can change the color of your text. So this is unbolded, unitalicized, not underlined text color here. So if you click that, it'll change the text color. If you have bold text, you can change the color here, italic text, underlined text. If you have a link, you can change the color of that as well. And then if your icon, you can click this here. And then all of these have custom colors. So if you don't see the color that you want here, just click on this button and add your custom color. When you scroll down, you'll see spacing options. So you can add padding to the left, right, top, and bottom by toggling these on. And then you can also type in a number. Same thing with the margins here. You can toggle these how you would like. You can also type in a number here. In the advanced settings, you can add a border to your sub-headline section. You can add a border style of solid, dash, or dotted, and then change the border width here. You can change the border color by clicking on this, picking a color, or adding a custom color. You can have a border radius, which will round the corners by toggling this. And then you can have that show on all edges, only the top or only the bottom. Line height is similar to your padding. So here you can toggle this on up and down. You can also type in a number here. Here under text transform, you can have normal, which is how you typed it in, all uppercase, all lowercase, or capitalize the first letter in each word. You can change the visibility on desktop and mobile by toggling this on and off. If you have a custom class name, you can enter that here. And then if you're happy with this and you want to copy this over somewhere else, just click this to copy the code.